Seeing that you loved my last potato recipe, I thought I'd share my favourite. This time we're cooking these banging Spanish-inspired Patatas Bravas, and don't worry, the full recipe is down in the caption. To make the sauce, fry the chorizo, onion, garlic and salt, along with a splash of oil for around 3 to 4 minutes or until softened. Then add in some tomato puree, chilli powder, smoked paprika and thyme. Cook for a couple more minutes to intensify the flavour, then pour in a tin of good quality chopped tomatoes and simmer for around 10 minutes. I like to use a potato masher to get rid of any lumps in the sauce. Parboil the potatoes in boiling salted water for 8 minutes, then drain into a bowl. Now this is where we level up our roast potato game. Add all of the herbs and spices listed in the recipe into the bowl and mix. Scatter the potatoes into the hot oil, then cook in the oven until crisp. We are going to serve these glorious roasters with a generous serving of smoky tomato sauce, some garlic aioli and a scattering of fresh parsley. You're going to absolutely love these, so make sure you give them a try. Like and follow for more easy to follow recipes that you can cook at home. Oh, and make sure to tell your friends. Bang in!